You're gonna be the hand holder, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this thing, leave it here. It's getting nice and toasty. And then I bring in the cold night sky. It's a big tank full of ice. And so now, let's look underneath here. And you can see this. And I wanna bring the hand in and set the hand right there. Oh yeah. Now bring your hands in. Feel. You can feel it's cool up above. And this thing isn't giving anything back. And so your hand cools. You can feel your hand cooling, right?
Yeah.
And that's not because of cold air, that's because of radiation, actually. Your hand is giving off all this radiation, nothing's coming back. And right now, this thing is giving off lots of radiation. We're gonna let that sit for a second. Because that you said the plastic blocks the thermal radiation. So think about this. This thing is cooling off because it's emitting thermal radiation. That makes it cool down. But where the hand is, I'm blocking it.
It's still hot.
Whoa. It's still hot. And so we might expect it to be warmer there.
So if it's cloudy at night, then it'll be warmer?
Yes, have you noticed that? On cloudy nights, it doesn't cool off as much.
It's like really warm, like in the summer, like when there's clouds?
Yes, you go to bed on a summer night, and if it's a clear sky, temperature drops. But it's a cloudy sky, not so much. Okay, we're gonna stand up. We're gonna pull this out and take a look at it and see if your hypothesis. Oh yeah, check that. Oh, look at that handprint. So you can see right where the hand was, it stayed warm. Where the hand wasn't, it got cold. Oh yeah, check it out. And now I want to have it back up here. Do you see it's warming back up again?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And there's two things in the atmosphere that block thermal radiation. One is water vapor, or water droplets, clouds. And the other piece is carbon dioxide. And we're going to do a quick simulation of this blocking of thermal radiation, okay? And this fish tank, it's got little fishies in it, but we're going to put something else in it. I'm going to use this thermal camera right here. I'm going to point it inside the fish tank. And the fish tank is kind of cold. Tierney, to go ahead and put your hand inside the fish tank. Hand is warm, and so you can see it's bright. Now here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take this tank, and I'm going to fill it up with fog, and we have a fog machine right there.
Whoa.
What's happening?
It's like, it's getting warm, colder?
It's getting cold. Well, it's not getting colder. Her hand is still warm. But what I'm doing is I'm blocking it, just like the hand did. What I'm doing is I'm making basically a cloud inside this tank.
It's kind of warm.
Now that the tank is completely full,
you can barely see the hand.
You can barely see that her hand is there. Oh, very, very nice.